Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we are opening up my Rocksbox. I've had this here for a little bit, but I haven't been able to open it, so I'm super excited to see what is inside. If you do not know what Rocksbox is, it is a jewelry subscription. It's actually like a jewelry rental subscription. So each time you get a box, you get 3 pieces of jewelry, and it is pretty great. You have a stylist that helps you pick out the pieces. But once they do, you have up to 48 hours, I believe, to swap your items out. So really you can customize this box as much as you want to. And when you get those 3 pieces, you can keep them as long as you wish. And then when you get sick of them and want to replace them, you just send it back. And if you love the pieces, you actually get to purchase them for a discount. So I do have a referral link I'm going to leave down below that will let you get your first 30 days free of Rocksbox, like no strings attached. So if you guys are interested, definitely check that out. So you'll get your first month free, and then by the end of that 30 days, you can either return it and cancel, or you can continue your subscription. Then after that, it is $21 a month. And they have so many great styles and so many great jewelry artists that they promote. Like you can get things like Kendra Scott, and I've discovered like a bunch of different jewelry designers that I really love. And one thing I love is that they send it in a bag that you can reuse to send it back, so it's like eco-friendly too. I love this service because I don't know about you, but I get kind of sick of the jewelry that I have, and it's expensive to keep buying new pieces. So with Rocksbox, I get to continually have new pieces in my collection without splurging. And again, if I fall in love with a piece, I can keep it, and they give a discount to members. So we are going to unbox today, and then we will try on some pieces. I'm super excited. I don't have any jewelry on besides my little K necklace, which I got through Rocksbox, I believe, last time. Yeah, I got the Rocksbox, and I love it. I seriously haven't taken it off since I put it on. Alright, so here's the reusable bag. As you can see, there's like another piece of tape there. That's how you send it back. And your jewelry always comes in this cute little box here. Let's get it open. And I'm pretty sure I took a look at what is coming, but I forget since it's been a while, and I've had this box sitting here this whole time I've been sick. So there's a little card on top that says, "Hey lovely," and then a little like jewelry care card here, and then all of the jewelry is inside this wrapping. So let's look inside here. So "Hi lovely," and then it says, "What happens next?" It says, "Rock your stylist picks. Wear your pieces for as long as you'd like. If you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit." I'm so glad they wrote this here because I forgot to mention that. That's huge. So if you want to keep anything, that $21 you pay per month will be applied to any purchases. So that is great. And $21, that's a lot. So, and then send back for more. Use a prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more. So it's free shipping both ways. And then it lists the items here along with some photos, and it says what the actual retail price is and then what the price would be if I keep the piece myself. So if I purchase it, I get a discount. So the retail price for all 3 of the items today is $167, but if I kept all of them, the membership discount is $26, and then if you keep 3 out of 3 pieces, you get an additional $10 credit. So that is great. And then they just give some tips for jewelry care, which is nice. It says, "We strive to offer high quality pieces that will endure the test of time. Our top tips for proper jewelry care are to avoid contact with water, perfume, or other chemicals. Take the jewelry off when showering, exercising, cleaning, and use a soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces." I've had questions before from some of you asking if like the jewelry seems used, and sometimes it seems brand new. Like sometimes it even has the tags on it. So I've never had any issues at all with that. So here are the 3 jewelry pieces. They each come in their own bag, which is nice. So let's start with the one that says Dusk on it. So that is the brand this comes from. And these are the Dusk Haven Drops in Multi. So the retail price of these would be $80, but if I want to keep them, $68. So they come in this little bag too, so everything arrives safely. Ooh, these are super pretty. It says this is made with 14 karat gold and silver plated, one-of-a-kind hand-set gemstones. I think these are so pretty. And yeah, and then they have the back, and so hopefully you guys can see that. So yeah, these are beautiful. I would never normally pay $80, so that's why I love that I get it with my $21 credit. Awesome. So let's move on to the next, and then we'll like kind of decide what one I should try on, or maybe I'll try on all of them. The next one is by Slate. Oh, I remember seeing these. I was super excited to try these out. I think I will love these. So these are like silver and gold plated. This is called the Slate Arlo earrings in mixed metal. The retail price is $50, but if I want to purchase them, it is $42. These seems kind of reflective, but like one part is gold and one silver. I think these are so cool. I really like these. I'll probably put these on, but let's move on to the third. And they have all types of jewelry, by the way. I just prefer to get earrings through the service because I switch out my earrings the most. Like, so you can get rings, necklaces, bracelets, you name it, all the jewelry types. And these are super cute too. These are the Slate Nadia hoops in rose gold. These are $37, but if I want to keep them, they're $31. I don't know if you can see, they're like kind of like a texture on them. Very pretty. So now I will go ahead and try on the pieces. So I will just try them on in order that I open them. I really like these. I feel like they're really like dainty and pretty. I like the length of them as well. Yay. I'm so happy with all of them. Let's try on the next. I think these are so cool. I knew I would like these. Oh man, I already filmed a few videos before this and I'm like, oh, I wish I had these earrings on, but you guys will definitely be seeing all these earrings in upcoming videos. And again, these are the Slate earrings. So I had 2 Slate earrings. They're about to try another one. These would be $42 if I want to keep them. And I might have to keep them. Let's try on the third pair. So I just want to show you, these are kind of cool. So to take them off, you just put it right in there and take them out. So these ones did require me to like turn around and use the mirror to put them on just because it was a little bit difficult because they were like how they're slanted, but I think they're really pretty. I'm trying to look in the viewfinder, but it's easier if I just look in my little cat mirror here. But I think these are super nice. Like, something about them seems kind of like fancy, like you can wear them out because they're shiny, but they're also like very lightweight, which I like. I don't like heavy earrings. I feel like sometimes they can even fall off me, but these are very comfortable once you get them on. So yeah, that was everything that I got in my Rocksbox. You guys have to let me know what your favorite piece was that I got. I honestly like all of them, but I have to say I think my favorite is the second pair that I tried on by Slate, the Arlo earrings in mixed metals. I'll probably put those on after filming. I don't know, I like these too. I like them all. I like them all. So yeah, if you guys are interested in trying your first month for free, definitely take advantage by using that link down below. You can also use that link just to go and browse the jewelry they have. They have seriously so much, and you can like search by the designer or the style, and like each season or every now and then they update like the trending styles, which is really cool because I'm not hip enough to know what's going on, but I like to like know what's cool still. I'm such like an old lady, but so yeah, check it out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.